Okay, just a quick overview. I think the problem you guys are having is you're copying and pasting slides, so you're losing all the coded information. So if you want to combine slides from different story or articulate files, you go to Story View, and then we're going to hit File, Import, Storyline. We'll select the file. In this case, this is my navigation slide. Hit Import, because all the coding is saved into that file. Now, yeah, it creates a new scene. How do we fix this? We grab it and we drop it. Simple, easy, quick, and then go right here and you can move things around. But yeah, that's just a quick, easy import, and then all the coding should be there. The copy and pasting is losing the coding. Hope this helps and makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.